I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're making a green bean casserole with our green beans. I love our green beans. I find them really sweet. I like even just taking them dry out of the can and dipping them in hummus or whatever.
Oh, good
And then we're going to refresh it today in our, sorry, I put my hands in your pot.
Yeah, don't do that. I also, what I like about the green beans is if I refresh them and then I pan fry them with a bit of butter and garlic and seasoning salt, they're really good. They actually, the color just comes right back.
So I will start by starting to refresh our green beans.
So you're adding onions?
Yep. And some oh no, this is garlic. We're adding a little bit of our,
I love that garlic.
yeah, it's really good. And some chef's choice. And some water. And we'll mix that up. And we will just let this refresh as we go to refresh our cheese.
All right, so I'm just gonna refresh the cheese, and we're gonna be putting the cheese inside the casserole and also on the top. So
we put it in a sifter so we can let the water run out, but yet still let it sit and refresh.
okay, so as I'm actually hydrating and pressing down and hydrating all the cheese, because we want it to react faster, shaking it too much will actually cause the cheese to break, and then it won't be in shaved form. It'll be kind of a puree. And so just lifting it like this works.
Just strains out the liquid, but yet gives it enough to refresh.
All right, so we're just gonna wait till all of this is refreshed.
And then we'll put it all together. Okay, now we've given it some time to refresh. We're going to finish putting it all together. So we're gonna take some of that cheese and add it into our mix. Okay, and then I'm going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup.
I use cream of mushroom soup quite a bit.
See, I don't use it very much since we have our sauces, our Thrive sauces. I haven't
Yeah.
used it as much.
So this is used as a side, of course, with your turkey dinner or just another like ham or whatever it might be that you want to serve for dinner. But you can also, if you wanted to make this a main dish, you could also add your meat to that and then bake it. So that's an option as well.
Get this all poured into a baking dish, because we will be baking this. Okay, and you'll finish it off.
All right, so we'll top it with cheese. And then we'll top it with the onions.
Fried onions. Smells good.
It smells great.
Yeah, now we're just gonna put it in the oven and bake it, and then we'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, we just pulled this out of the oven, so it's ready to go. We got the little brown bits on the top, and we're going to scoop it to show you what it looks like. Nice and gooey.
Okay, so if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and hit the notification bell so you know when we post brand new video.
And give us a thumbs up and give this recipe a try. And remember,
You can do this too.